Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to add a transition between two clips in Adobe After Effects. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure that you watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official Adobe After Effects program right here on your PC if you haven't already. And after opening it up guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of Adobe After Effects, and you'll be greeted by this menu right here where we can get started creating a new composition. So you can see here is our composition. We can go ahead and name it, we can select the quality right here we want to use it, so fill out all the info that you need and click OK, and now we can get started. So let's go ahead and see how we can apply a transition between clips. So basically guys, the first thing we want to do is go ahead and add the videos that we want to transition between. So we're going to go ahead into the upper left corner, click on file, and now in the new drop down menu that appears, we're going to find the import button. So under import guys, you can see we can go ahead and get started with adding the files and the clips we want to use. So click the file button and find the clips in your PC in your folders and start adding them to your video, and now we can get started. So guys, after adding your videos, it are going to appear right here. So you want to go ahead and click on them and drag them right here into your timeline so that you can get started editing them. They are going to appear right here. So guys, basically after you have added two videos, all we need to do to be able to animate our projects and the transition between videos is to go ahead and select those two videos that appear right here. So go ahead and select them both, and after selecting them, you want to go ahead and right click, and after right clicking on the video, it's going to go ahead and enable you an option that says to enable automatic transition. So just guys, go ahead and find the transition button that's going to appear once you right click on the video, and after that it's going to enable the transition effect appearing in your clips. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.